So, um, yeah, I was just over at the pond and it's raining. Just, there's a good cover there with the trees and stuff. Um, Standing over there smoking and smoking a cigar. I don't like to smoke them in the house. Uh, and just watching the rain hit the pond and how all the drops, they make the circle wave and how they all made this big pattern, and it constantly changing. So I sat and watched that a few minutes, and everything. So, but yeah, it's constantly changing, and everything is. Um, so it's just really neat, sitting there watching that. I mean, I know, y'all know everything does change, but that pattern it's never the same from each second to the next. It's just really cool. I wanted to share it. I would have got video, but like I said, it's raining and rain would have been all over the lens and stuff. And anyway, but it was really neat. So, but yeah, like I said, I just wanted to share that. It was really neat. Watching the raindrops hit the pond there and forming this giant pattern on the whole pond. It's just, like I said, it was really cool. Um, anyway, like we say, life is in a constant state of change. So you're not the same person from one minute, not 1 minute, like the song says, and lots of things say, you're ever changing, but you're still the same. I know that makes sense because anyway. Um, so, but yeah, like I said, anyway, here's the children home, so I got to go. But anyway, I wanted to share that. Like I said, anyway, much love, y'all. See you later.